Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Flixy TV Smart Remote. So it is a very popular remote that has got really famous lately on different social media platforms. As you can see, you can get a limitless streaming at 75% off with this simple Flixy TV stick. And once I try searching for their official website, I got to know like their website it took a lot to load, and it is America's #1 rated TV smart stick as per their own claim. And they have a 4.9 ratings out of 5 stars, which is based on 1000 plus verified reviews. So once I try searching for those reviews and got to know there is no way that you can actually check if those reviews are actually authentic or just a made up ones. So this is also a very concerning thing about their official website. And once I try searching for this platform on the Trustpilot to get to know about the reviews of the real people, I got to know that they have a very bad rating of 2.1 out of 5 stars, which is based on 14 reviews. And as you can see, most of the people have reviewed just 1 star. And people are saying yes, about 1 second 27 it has never arrived. Fear claiming they didn't get the actual product. Fear claiming that it is a scam, clearly mentioning this review. And there is no 1,000 channel as most recommendation. So almost every single thing is pretty much a scam, and the promises they have made are just fancy ones. So in conclusion, I would say like you should avoid buying this stick without discussing it with any of your relatives or friends who have already bought it. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.